The last video on dimensional analysis. If you gave these last two a shot, maybe you're looking at this screen right now and you're saying, excellent, I got the right answer. I am a wizard at dimensional analysis. If you did not get the right answer, here's the work, so you can kind of see where you're falling short. They're always going to ask you to show your work, show your work, show your work, so you might as well just get used to it. This proportion method will never fail. What fails is when people are looking for a shortcut. They just want to know, well, do I multiply or divide? I don't know. What kind of number do you have? What kind of number do you want? By looking at those units and setting up the proportion, you'll never get it wrong. And then you don't have to memorize, do I multiply, do I divide? Number 7, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, the heaviest baby ever born weighed over 29 pounds. Yikes, that's a big baby. I'm not quite sure how that baby was birthed. I guess it doesn't say here. What is the mass in kilograms? And so again, you look at the units that you have available, the dimensional analysis conversion factors you have available. We do have a conversion listed in the study guide that goes from pounds to grams. 454 grams for every 1 pound. There was not anything that went straight to kilograms, so then I stopped it at grams, and then you have two options. You can do metric conversions with proportions. That prefix kilo means 1,000. So then I just tacked on another proportion at the end to cancel grams and put it in kilograms. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Your other option, you could just plug this in your calculator. You could plug that much in your calculator and then just flip the decimal spot. And then hopefully you got number 8 right, because we kind of had one earlier that looked real similar. If you count it out loud to 1 million, and you assume that it takes 2 seconds to say each number, assuming that it will take you 2 million seconds, then how many days would it take you? And I guess that's like 23 days with no breaks. I left it as 2 sig figs just because of the 2.0 in the original problem. And 23 days seems to make a little more sense than 23.148 with a whole bunch of garbage. So again, that significant figure rounding rule is a good thing. It gives you numbers that are manageable. So again, if you're to this point and you still really have no clue where these numbers are coming from and how to set up these proportions, that's a red flag to come in and get some help. Otherwise, I'm hoping that by now this is starting to sink in. It's a good thing.